Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can land orders on Fiverr. Hi, I'm Kevin. I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you're new here and this is what you're looking for, consider subscribing. So, most of the time, we receive questions like, Fiverr experts, I need your help. I created a gig about 2 months ago. I haven't landed any order. Any help or advice, please? In this video, I'm going to show you 6 tips that will help you get orders as a beginner. Make sure to watch till the last tip, where I'll share a trick that will get clients to contact you for work. 1. Look at your gig title and gig description. Is your gig title and description optimized? By optimized, I mean, is it keyword targeted? Each time you create a gig, ensure that whatever you write describes what you are offering and how the client is going to benefit if he or she buys from you. Number 2, gig image and video. You need to upload a high quality image that sells your service. A good image gets the attention of a client and makes him or her click on your gig to view what you are offering. You can create your images on Canva. Let me know in the comments if you need a tutorial on this. Fiverr also encourages adding a video in your gig since it improves your gig rank. For this, you can create the video yourself, or you can hire somebody on Fiverr to help you with the video. 3. Gig category and tags. Putting your gig on the right category and adding the right tags makes all the difference. Ensure that you research the right category and the right tags for your gig. This will enable you to put your gig in the right place for your clients to see in order to contact you. 4. Buyer requests. Sending buyer requests is one of the ways to increase your gig's view. At the same time, the best way to show clients that you can get their work done. In my experience, I realized that as from 3 p.m. is the best time when buyer requests come in. So make sure you look at them during that time. I shall be creating a video showing you how you can do this in the few weeks to come. So watch out for it. 5. Social media marketing. Every freelancer should learn social media marketing. Make sure you share your gig after creating it. Also, share every positive rating and review from a client. On Fiverr, every gig view counts. So you need to make sure as many people see your gig. You need to put your gig in front of your clients for them to be able to click and view what you're offering. It is more of a numbers game. The higher people view, the higher the chances you get hired. So go online and market your gig on social media. That is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and any other place that you can think of. 6. Be active on Fiverr. This is the last tip that I was talking about. And here I'm going to show you an extension that is going to help you be viewed by clients who are looking for freelancers who are online. Most of the time, you may not be on your computer. What do? Make sure that you install the Fiverr phone app to always check for messages whenever you are away from your computer. For those on your computer, install a Chrome extension called Super Autofresh. With this, you can set a refresh time that will keep you online all the time. And this is the trick I was talking about. You need to be online for clients to find you online. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you guys for supporting my channel. See you in the next video.